We're all going to come together in a second. Let's go here first. For the very first time, the FDA has approved a gene therapy to treat inherited hearing loss. We're talking about a treatment specifically for children born with a rare genetic mutation. The condition affects about 50 babies born each year in the United States, and the results of this treatment, nothing short of miraculous. CNN's Meg Terrell has this story.
A year ago, this little boy, Miles, could hear almost nothing. But now, his life is filled with sound. Shake, shake, shake.
He loves music and dancing and running around. I never thought this would be possible. What does the leopard say? And to find out that your baby is profoundly deaf is just so scary. And I remember sitting in that room and it was dark and I just started sobbing. And it was really the start of our journey.
Miles was born with a rare genetic mutation in a gene known as OTOF. It's so rare, only about 50 kids are born with it each year in the United States. But it turned out that there was a clinical trial going on of a completely new way of treating this kind of hearing loss. Miles's parents signed him up. In results from about 5 months after the treatment, 11 out of 12 participants had improvements in their hearing. 6 could hear soft speech, and 3 had essentially normal hearing. Now, that therapy, made by the company Regeneron, has just received FDA approval. So, how does it work? Well, it's called gene therapy. It involves using a harmless virus to deliver a working copy of a gene directly into the inner ear to fix the faulty mutation that's causing Miles's hearing loss. For his family, the results were incredible.
He didn't like music. He wouldn't sit for stories. He would try to interact with his siblings to the best of his abilities, but it was hard for him. And then after the surgery, we quickly started to realize that his hearing was coming back. What is that? One of the days we were heading to school, I was like, Miles, I love you. And he had his back to me. He turned right around and he went and blew me a kiss. And I was like, you heard me say that and you blew me a kiss. It's just amazing.
The new gene therapy is the first ever for hearing loss. And though Miles's condition is rare, the hope is that this will lead to more breakthroughs that can extend the kinds of benefits that Miles has experienced to many more people.
Especially if someone screams.
So guys, of course, this is just such a good news story.
We all love Miles.
But there's more, but wait, there's more. So normally these drugs can cost millions of dollars for each of these patients, just so the companies can try to make a return. But in this case, Regeneron is saying it's going to make this drug available for free to children in the United States. It's a small patient population, and they say they hope to take this technology and expand it to more people. So
that gives me chills when you think about like good medicine and also just like a company doing good on this. And Miles is so cute.
It's just life-changing. I mean, just think of that. The pill would go from not being able to hear to being able to hear.
Yeah, not surgery, and just the way that child is smiling and goofing around with his mom. I'm done.
Yeah, he's trouble. Miles is trouble.
Whatever you want, Miles, you get.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you all so much.